Good morning, students. Today we are going to fill the chapter number 34, that is the Great Explorers. अब ये Great Explorers कौन होते हैं? A person who travels to unfamiliar or new places in order to find more about them is called explorer. यानी एक ऐसा पर्सन जो कि ट्रैवल करता है जो अनफेमिलियर यानी वो प्लेस ना तो उसने कभी देखा है और ना उस प्लेस पे कभी गया है, वो पर्सन जो न्यू प्लेसेस कहलाते हैं। और उस न्यू प्लेसेस पे क्यों जाते हैं? ताकि उसके बारे में कुछ और जानकारी या इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर सकें। तो इसलिए उन पर्सन्स को हम लोग कहते हैं एक्सप्लोरर। अब हम लोग इस चैप्टर में क्या करना है, कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं आपको एक्सप्लोरर्स के। आपको बताना है कि वो कौन से कंट्री को या फिर प्लेसेस को डिस्कवर किए थे या फिर विजिट किए थे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर। आपको यहाँ पे हेल्प बॉक्स में आपको ABC करके मार्क किया हुआ है। यू हैव टू पुट दैट नंबर्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन। First one, the person you can see here, this person is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama एक Portuguese noble man थे and he sailed from Lisbon in 1497 on a mission to reach India and open a sea route from Europe to the East. वो चाहते थे कि एक सी रूट हो यूरोप से ईस्ट जाने के लिए, और वो किस मिशन पे थे? इंडिया फाइंड करने के लिए। सो वास्को डा गामा ने किस प्लेस को फाइंड किया, किस प्लेस को डिस्कवर किया या विजिट किया? दैट प्लेस नेम इज इंडिया। और आपके हेल्प बॉक्स में जो इंडिया है दैट इज ऑन दी F पोजिशन। सो यू विल राइट इट डाउन हियर F लाइक दिस। सेकेंड इट इज एबेल टैस्मैन। एबेल टैस्मैन, he was also a Dutch seafarer and explorer, and he was a merchant, and he was best known for his voyages of 1642 and 1644 in the service of the Dutch East India Company. And he was the first known European explorer to reach the islands of New Zealand. जो आपका न्यूजीलैंड है, he was the first European to reach that island. So here you will mark the Abel Tasman and which place he has discovered? Parts of Australia and New Zealand, and that is D number. So you will write down here D number. Third person, Bartholomew Dias. He was also a nobleman of the Portuguese royal household and was a Portuguese explorer, and he sailed around the southernmost tip of Africa in 1488. The first European to do so. Who was the first European? Bartholomew Dias. And he was the first European to do so, setting up the route from Europe to Asia. Okay. And this here, the country name where it is given here, that is C number. So we will mark it here C. Next it is Pedro Cabral. He was also a military commander, navigator and explorer, regarded as the European discoverer of Brazil. Who was he? He was known as for the discovery of Brazil. He has been European, and he was also a European discoverer. And he conducted the first substantial exploration of the northeast coast of South America and claimed it for Portugal. So on the fourth, for Pedro Cabral, which country or the places he has discovered? So you will mark it here. That is the H, South America. So you will write it down here H. Next it is Robert Peary. And he was an American explorer and United States Navy officer who made several expeditions to the Arctic in the 19th and 20th century. And he is also best known for claiming to reach the geographic North Pole. Okay, so you which part he has been reached? Geographic North Pole. So you will mark it here B number, North Pole. Christopher Columbus. The sixth diagram, it is Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, opening the way for European exploration and colonization of the Americas. So which part he has discovered or visited? Can you guess? Yes, Central America. So you will write it down here, E. Next it is Roald Amundsen. He was also the first expedition to reach the geographic South Pole was led by him. By whom? Roald Amundsen. So you will mark it here. Which part? A, that is South Pole. So we will write here A number. Next it is James Cook. James Cook was a British explorer, navigator, cartographer and captain in the British Royal Navy. And which place he has discovered or visited? Can you guess? Yes, it is G number from your help blocks, that is Pacific Ocean. So G. The Vikings was the seafaring Norse people from the southern Scandinavia who from the late 8th to 11th centuries raided, pirated, traded throughout parts of Europe and explored westward to Ireland or Greenland and Vinland. So places he has been discovered or visited was the Greenland included in this. So you will mark it here as I number, Vikings, that is the Greenland. Now the next chapter, that is chapter number 36. Now we are going to fill the chapter number 36, that is old and new names. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग जानेंगे कि ये जो ओल्ड नेम्स होते हैं उन्हें न्यू नेम्स क्यों दिया जाता है, वो चेंज क्यों हो जाते हैं. दिस इज बिकॉज ड्यू टू द लैंड डिविजन्स, वॉर्स, चेंजेस इन गवर्नमेंट, इंडिपेंडेंस और सिंपली टू फैसिलिटेट प्रोनाउंसिएशन अब्रॉड, सम कंट्रीज हैव डिसाइडेड टू चेंज देयर नेम. इजंट इट? यानी हम लोग क्यों चेंज करते हैं? ताकि क्योंकि हो सकता है लैंड डिविजन की वजह से, or in the changes in government policies or government changes in government, because of due to that the old name gets its new name. In this chapter what you have to do is we have to complete the table by choosing the correct names from the help box. आपको बताना है इस चैप्टर में कि ओल्ड नेम्स और न्यू नेम्स उनके क्या पड़े हैं, जो कंट्रीज के नेम आपको यहाँ पे बताए गए हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इट इज न्यू नेम है आपका ताइवान. इसका ओल्ड नेम क्या है? आई विल हैव टू टेल दैट ओल्ड नेम इज फॉर्मोसा. सो यू विल राइट फॉर FORMOSA, फॉर्मोसा. Second it is Abyssinia. So its new name is Ethiopia. So we will write here ETHIOPIA, Ethiopia. Third it is Namibia. Namibia का जो old name है, what was that? Southwest Africa. So you will write it down here, South, 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 West, WEST, West Africa, AFRICA, Africa. Next we have to tell the new name of Nippon. What is that? Japan, isn't it? New name क्या है? Japan, JAPAN, Japan. Now you have to tell the old name of Republic of Congo. What is that? ZAIRE. Now you have to tell the new name of Persia. What is that? Iran, IRAN. Now you have to tell the old name of Zimbabwe. That is Rhodesia, RHODESIA, Rhodesia. Now you have to tell the old name of Malaysia. Very simple, it is Malaya, MALAYA, Malaya. Next it is, you have to tell the new name of Ceylon. What is that? Sri Lanka, SRI, Sri, LANKA, Sri Lanka. Now you have to tell the old name of Iraq. What is that? Mesopotamia. So you will write here MESOPOTAMIA, Mesopotamia. इराक का क्या नाम था? ओल्ड नेम Mesopotamia. So you will fill this chapter also. Now we are going to move on to the chapter number 38. The chapter number 38, it tells about the world history, and history is a continuous systematic narrative of past events as relating to a particular people, country, period, etc. It is written as an chronicle account. आपको इस चैप्टर में कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं रिलेटेड विद द हिस्ट्री. यू हैव टू आंसर देम. यहाँ पे कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शंस दिए गए उस पर्सन से रिलेटेड. यू हैव टू राइट दैट वो डिस्क्रिप्शन किस पर्सन से रिलेटेड है. सो इन दिस फर्स्ट वन, नेम द फेमस ग्रीक फिलोसोफर हु वाज अ स्टूडेंट एट प्लेटो एंड द टीचर ऑफ ग्रेट अलेक्जेंडर. So what is that person name? That person name is Aristotle. So you will write here Aristotle. Next it is, which Italian traveler traveled to China in the medieval period? ऐसा कौन से इटालियन ट्रैवलर था जो चाइना से ट्रैवल किया, वो भी किस पीरियड में? मेडिवल पीरियड में. So that person name is Marco Polo. So you will write here M-A-R-C-O, Marco, P-O-L-O, Marco Polo. Third it is, which queen of England remained on throne for more than any other monarch of England? ऐसी कौन सी क्वीन थी इंग्लैंड की जो थ्रोन पे रही? कितना कोई भी अभी तक इंग्लैंड में मोनार्क उतने टाइम तक थ्रोन पे नहीं रहा था. सो दैट क्वीन नेम इज एलिजाबेथ II. So you will write here E-L-I-Z-A-B-E-T-H, Elizabeth II. Fourth number, which French general who had won many great wars was finally defeated at Waterloo? ऐसा कौन सा फ्रेंच जनरल था जिन्होंने बहुत सारे वॉर्स को जीता लेकिन फाइनली ही वॉज डिफीटेड एट वाटरलू? So that person name is Napoleon Bonaparte. So you will write here Napoleon, N-A-P-O-L-E-O-N, Napoleon, B-O-N-A-P-A-R-T-E, Napoleon Bonaparte. Fifth one it is, name the woman traveler who traveled alone in West Africa. ऐसी कौन सी वुमेन ट्रैवलर थी जो अकेले ही वेस्ट अफ्रीका को ट्रैवल की है? सो दैट पर्सन नेम इज मैरी किंग्सले. सो यू विल राइट हियर मैरी, M-A-R-Y, मैरी, किंग, K-I-N-G-S, किंग्सले, L-E-Y, मैरी किंग्सले. Sixth number it is, which Mongolian ruler built the largest single empire? He attacked and ravaged India several times. कौन था वो मंगोलियन रूलर? He was, the person name is Genghis Khan. So you will write here C-H-A-N-G-E-Z, Genghis Khan, K-H-A-N, Genghis Khan. Which Indian king adopted Buddhism after experiencing sorrows of the wars? ऐसा कौन से इंडियन किंग था जिन्होंने बुद्धिज्म को अपनाया था? सो दैट किंग नेम इज अशोका, A-S-H-O-K-A, अशोका. Eighth number, name the king of Macedonia who conquered the Persian Empire and defeated King Porus of India. आपको उस किंग का नेम बताना है. सो दैट किंग नेम इज अलेक्जेंडर, A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R, Alexander. Next it is 9th number, which was the first emperor of the Mauryan Empire who had his capital at Patliputra? So that person name is Chandragupta Maurya. So you will write here C-H-A-N-D-R-A-G-U-P-T-A, Chandragupta Maurya, M-A-U-R-Y-A, Chandragupta Maurya. Next it is, which Nazi politician declared himself Führer of Germany and remained as Führer until his suicide in 1945? So that person name is Adolf Hitler, A-D-O-L-F, Adolf Hitler, Hitler, Adolf Hitler. Who was the court poet of Harsha? कोट पोएट हर्षा का कौन था? दैट इज बना भाटा, BANABHATA, बना भाटा. नेक्स्ट, द मुगल एम्पायर हु डिस्करेज सती प्रथा वर्स. किसने सती प्रथा को डिस्करेज किया था? दैट पर्सन नेम इज अकबर, AKBAR, अकबर. He has defeated और डिस्करेज किया इन्होंने सती प्रथा को. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू फिल दैट दिस द चैप्टर नंबर 39. इन चैप्टर नंबर 39 व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, यहाँ पे आपको रिलीजन्स दिए गए हैं, उसके फॉलोअर्स दिए गए हैं एंड बुक्स दिए गए हैं. आपको ये जो रिलीजन्स दिए गए हैं उनके फॉलोअर्स के साथ में मैच करना है. देन यू हैव टू मैच विद देयर बुक्स. ओके, बहुत सारे रिलीजन्स हैं हमारे इंडिया में, तो हम लोग को क्या करना है, उसे के फॉलोअर्स के द्वारा मैच करना है एंड देयर बुक्स. जैसे कि हिंदूज यूज करते हैं गीता एंड ऑल द बुक्स, एंड अदर्स दैट religions use other books, so we will match this. First one it is Islam. Islam का क्या कौन है followers? Can you tell me? Yes, it is Muslims. So you will write it down here 1 number. And what is the book which they read? That is the Quran. So you will mark it here F. Okay? Now Hinduism, you all know this very well, Hindus, isn't it? So you will mark it here 2 number. And which books do the Hinduism use? Yes, it is Bhagavad Gita. So you will mark it here C number. Judaism, can you guess this? Yes, you all are knowing this. Yes, Jews. So you will mark it here 3rd number. And which books they prefer? That is Torah. So you will mark it here D number. Sikhism, कौन है followers? Yes, it is 6, 4th number. And book, you all know this. Yes, it is Adi Granth, E number. Christianity, yes, Christians are the followers. So you will mark it here 5th number. And the books which they prefer, that is the Bible. So you will mark it here A number. Last one it is Zoroastrianism, that is Pharisees. Followers are the, so you will mark it here 6th number. And B, that is Zend Avesta. You will mark it here as the B number. So what you have to do is, you will learn this all the chapters and you will fill it in your book. That's all for today. Thank you.